Hi everyone, my name is Ayanda from South Africa. Today I'll be teaching wild animal names in Sotho. Tlou, tlou. Tlou means elephant. Lingao, lingao. Lingao means leopard. Kwena, kwena. Kwena means crocodile. Tau, tau. Tau means lion. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. The link is right down below.